Confused about choosing between Visible and Mobile for your next phone plan? Let's break down the key differences to help you decide which carrier fits your needs best in just 90 seconds. First, let's talk price. Visible is known for its simplicity and budget-friendly options, generally under $30 a month for a single line. Mobile, while offering more features, typically starts around $50 or more for their most basic plan. Consider your budget. Are you looking for the cheapest option or willing to pay more for extra features? Next, coverage matters. Mobile boasts a robust nationwide network, especially in urban and suburban areas. Visible, which runs on Verizon's network, also offers excellent coverage, particularly strong in rural locations. Think about where you spend most of your time. Which carrier has the stronger signal in your usual locations? Check coverage maps online to be sure. Let's dive into performance. Mobile generally offers faster data speeds, especially with 5G availability. Visible speeds, while adequate for most users, can sometimes be deprioritized during peak hours, leading to slightly slower speeds. How crucial is lightning-fast data for you? Customer support is essential. Mobile typically offers a wider range of support options, including phone, chat, and in-person assistance. Visible primarily relies on online chat support, which can be convenient for some, but frustrating for others. How important is easy access to customer support for you? In summary, Visible is great for budget-conscious users who prioritize coverage and don't mind slightly slower speeds and non-linear support. Mobile is ideal for those who want faster data, more features, and comprehensive customer service, and are willing to pay a premium. Before you commit, visit both Visible and Mobile's websites to compare specific plans, check for any current deals, and read customer reviews. Make an informed decision, and you will get the perfect phone plan.